Welcome back to part 2. Hey Armin, hey Sophia. So I wanted to come on today to share with you some of Armin's beautifully handmade with love goodies that she made. I know all of you already subscribed to her, but please go to her channel and see all of the details. She took a little break from crafting and came back with a big bang. So this past month, in September, I know she had pulled she did a lot of hauls, and she was busy crafting up a storm, beautiful projects. Everything that she created here, she posted on her channel. So if you want to know more details, definitely go to her channel and check her out, subscribe to her, like all of her videos, because they're always, Armin always puts such great detail. So does Sophia into their projects, and I totally admire their creativity, and especially it's always been wonderful to get connected with them and get together in person, to catch up on each other's lives and crafty lives as well, and just in sharing some additional inspiration. So I definitely admire them and their creativity. I wanted to share the goodies that they made. So this actually was a Kurumi bag that she purchased at Daiso. I do have a Daiso within a quarter mile of my house. And I haven't ventured out there because I made a vow to myself to try to use what I have. I have been purchasing at Daiso for years, and I tend to purchase duplicates, and so then I end up with a lot. So I'm trying to use up my stash this year. So this is such a cute little bag that she shared with us to put her little goodies in. She also found this adorable little Hello Kitty from, what is that? Not Big Five. Five Below. And she ordered it online. So this is so cute. Thank you so much for this little kitty. My little dog was eyeballing it, so I had to put it on the shelf. It is adorable. I will be pulling it out for many Halloweens to come and enjoy this. So it'll be on my Halloween shelf next year. So thank you so much, Armin. Armin packaged everything beautifully in little and added some shred and everything, and I took the time to open everything up so we didn't hear too much of the crinkling. But this is a little Scrap Diva candy box die that she created, and I love it. I know she used, I think, the cake die to create this, and then also the candy box. But isn't this adorable? Look at all the pieces that she took the time to glue onto this little itty bitty candy box. Isn't this darling? Thank you so much, Armin, for taking the time to do that. That is so cute. And then I know that on her channel she also shared these little Hello Kitty bows that she made a ton of, and it was easy to do. So you gotta go to her channel and check out all of her videos, get that Halloween inspiration. So this inside, she shared some purple bling in this really cute Hello Kitty baggie, and then some little pumpkin. How cute, pumpkin bling. And then she also made, how cute, a little shaker, a candy shaker, as well as some other little, oh, I love these little candies in a variety of different colors. And I love how she added the little bling on the corners. Wow, these little candy ephemeras. They're gonna be so cute in different projects. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Armin. I'm not gonna hoard. I'm going to actually try to use these ephemera pieces and put it on little projects I love this little shaker, and look at that darling little Kurumi. If you can see it, that little Kurumi shaker. It's so cute. Look at that. Darling. Darling, darling. And it fits perfectly. Look at that. I love it. Thank you, Armin. Put this little baggie to the side. She also created this little, I love her packaging style. So this is a See's candy. The way that I decorated my See's candy is I plopped a little ephemera piece and I put a little bow on top. Well, she kicked it up a notch, 10 times better. And I loved, loved, loved that she took the time to glue all of these wonderful pieces together to make this a three-dimensional box. Look at how cute that all corners of the box are decorated in this adorable little candy paper decor. Isn't that cute? And it fits perfectly with this little See's candy. So you got to head over to her channel, check out all her details. Love it. And she actually packaged it up in a little plastic wrap and decorated it with one of these Scrap Diva ghost tags. She used a little treat word that also comes with Scrap Diva's die. And she took the time to actually added some little beads. And I think that is such a cute idea to add more pizzazz to that little decor piece. I love that. Let me put that there. And then I took this out of the packaging to reduce the crinkling. But this is so cute. Her little bag topper. Her little bag topper. As well as her packaging. She had packaged it up. And look at this adorable little Hello Kitty in a pumpkin. And she put my name. She put my name. How cute. I love this. I love this, Armin. Thank you. She personalized it and added a little jack-o'-lantern on top. It's so cute. Thank you. Oh, let me show you this. So, these are, she wanted to share some of this pumpkin spice, and she created, I guess she used one of her dies. Also, check out her channel. She has all the details. And she created this little holder. Love her packaging. Love it, Armin. And she added a little spider. And there's that little purple bling that she gifted. Thank you. This little ghost taggy. And then she added this little banner piece that says trick or treat. Love it. And she did, and this one is a Doodlebug, and she even decorated the back. All of her projects are finished so sweet. They are finished so sweet. There's a little handle there. How cute is that? I love it. Her attention to detail is on point, you guys. You gotta check out all the details she has on her channel. This is another Scrap Diva bag topper die that she utilized, and look how she created some extras for me to use. How cute. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna I'm thinking of how to use it on projects to gift and to share. This is so wonderful. I'm gonna give one to my lash lady. She'll love it. She loves skulls. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it, Armin. And look, she took the time. I'm so sorry I bumped my phone. She took the time to add a little Scully, a charm right there. How cute is that? Love it. Love, love, love it. Oh my gosh. And look at this one. I squealed when I saw this. It was loud at the Cheesecake Factory, but this was so cute. Look at that. She paper pasted all the individual little pieces. I didn't have time to paper piece. So with my little Hello Kitty goodies, I actually just put it in my Cricut and did a print and cut function and have it cut out little ephemera pieces. But her taking the time, Armin, taking the time to make this, I love it. It is super duper special. And I'm just going to have it on my Halloween table and admire it. This is a little, oh my gosh, this is so cute. A little nail file. And she made this holder on her own. And look, she even finished the back. Look at the little papers that she used. This is so cute. And the little charm that she made. I love it. This is so cute, Armin. The little spider charm. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. All the little details. Lots of eye candy. I just love it. All that little eye candy. Look at the little tiny little essence in her eyes as well. She added. How did you cut that out? That is so tiny. You must have had a new blade. That is amazing. And then I know she also did another video. She did a My Creative Time haul, and this was, I think, their new product. She used Doodlebug, and I love it. And look how cute is this. This little lock. It's functional. It's a functional lock. So you take out the lock. I didn't have a chance to open it, so let's see what's in it. Oh, how cute! Oh my gosh, look at this. The little Kurumi and Hello Kitty. Little, oh my gosh, little shaker bits from Buttons Galore and more. How cute is that? So cute. Oh, that was a sweet surprise. Thank you. And it fit perfectly in here. You close the little latch here. So easy. Look how cute that is. Oops. There we go. How cute is that? So freaking cute. Oh my gosh, and last but not least, I saw this on her Doodlebug video. She gifted this to me. Oh, Armin, you took the time to create this? This is so sweet. She took the time to create this. I didn't know you were going to gift it. Oh, it is so extra special. I'm going to be putting our pictures, our Halloween get-together, of our luncheon in here, as well as maybe I'll do this as keep this as a 2023 October daily. I didn't do a lot of things this October this year. I was just in a mood. So, but I have cherished my time with Armin and Sophia and a couple of other family members in October. This is so cute. You have to go to her channel and check out all the details that she explained in her channel. Look at these doodle pops and the ephemera that she used. This is such a cute little pumpkin pail. Is it a pumpkin pail or a cauldron? It could be used as both. And you can actually add little photos here or journaling. Add little photos here. I love it. How cute. And she added a little ephemera, the little boo. How cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at that. I love it. Doodlebug is such a cute little collection. The Boo Crew, and I love how she created it to so that both matched on either side, on both sides. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Aren't you all inspired? Her projects are all so, so cute. Look at that, how cute. Such a fun way. Happy Halloween. I am under your spell. I love it. She added all of this ephemera piece, and I can actually put a little picture here and also put her there too if I wanted to. That is so cute. Carving pumpkins, pumpkin contest. That is darling. Well, I am so inspired by all of your projects, Armin. Thank you so much. I heart you and Sophia, and I loved just being inspired by all of this creativity. I hope you all check out Armin and Sophia's channel, and I know that I will be creating a little bit more on my channel, so I hope everyone has a safe and a fun Halloween this year, 2023. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel and watching, and leave a comment below. Let me know how you're all doing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.